I request how to play Love Story on guitar easy for beginners. Hope you enjoy this video. Remember to like and subscribe. We're going to start with an A minor. E7. And then A minor with a C. E7 again. We're going to A, B, G sharp, we're going to move on. A major 7, A7, and D, E, A, F major 7, or F minor 7, excuse me. And then G chord, B, D, F, D, A, C major 7, and then G, E, G, F major 7, C, E, C. And then we got B minor 7, 5, B, D, B, A minor, A, C, E, D minor 7 again, G, A, C, G chord, and then D, F, D, C major 7, E, F, G, part of an F major 7, and then G, F, E, B, 7, and then F, A, F sharp, E chord with a E, 7, and again it repeats. So on. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep the music coming. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.